everyone, welcome to my channel, 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alisha, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you guys 10 different ways to wear it. Now no, this is not part 3 of my Halloween video, you guys. This is a Christmas crafting video, and I have something really new and unique for you guys. If you saw my unique Christmas tree video, then you know I'm into doing things a little bit different than everybody else. So of course I got something new and fresh for y'all today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really awesome Christmas onesie, you guys. Yes, this is an entire onesie. Woo! And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make it. It's nice and sturdy. It got the lights going on, honey. Got the balls. We got our flowers. We cute, honey. And we got our little Christmas cat ears. I'm going to show you guys how to create this whole ensemble. So if you're interested in seeing how to make your own Christmas onesie, okay, being a little different, I'm not wearing a Christmas sweater or a Christmas hat. I'm wearing a whole freaking Christmas onesie, okay? Say what? If you want to see how to make your own, stay tuned for this awesome video.
I taste just like candy.
Alrighty guys, so I got my table here ready to get into these arts and crafts. This is going to be such an awesome video. But I want to show you guys what I'm going to be using to decorate the onesie. I'm going to be using this pink garland. You've all seen this everywhere, the stuff that gets on all of our nerves. I'm also going to be using these pink artificial flowers. I'll be using these 2 battery operated light kits. These lights are actually pink, you guys, and they are absolutely gorgeous and super bright. They're gonna look great on the onesie. I'm also gonna be using baby safety pins, a hot glue gun, scissors of course, and I bought this little headband that I'm also gonna redecorate. And last but not least, I'm gonna be using Christmas balls on the onesie. And of course, you guys saw the onesie. It's an adult onesie. I'll have it linked below. I bought it on Amazon, super cheap. The color kind of disappointed me because I thought it would be more like a fuchsia pink. But you know, Amazon can be a little deceptive at times. So, but we're gonna work with what we got. Now, let's get into this video. Let's get this onesie decorated so we can be styling and profiling on Christmas, okay? Alright guys, so step 1 to getting this onesie decorated is going to be to get the garland onto the onesie. Now I decided I want to do kind of like a little Christmas tree type of design in the middle here and just make like a really sparkly triangle and put the balls on it. But I also want to take that garland around the entire hood and maybe a little bit on the sleeves as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be creating like a triangle shape here to put the garland onto, and I'm going to insert a clip showing me doing all of this stuff in real time so you guys can follow along when you go ahead and create your onesie, okay? And if you do, tag me on Instagram, okay? 10 Ways to Wear It. Tag me on there, you guys. Anyway, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so most of the garland is already on the jumpsuit. It's nice and secure. I could literally pick up the jumpsuit from the garland, so it's not going to come off or anything like that. But I'm going to show you guys with this last piece that I need to put on, how I did it. So as you can see, there's an opening right here with a lot of the jumpsuit showing, and that's the last piece that I need to cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out how much garland I'm going to need. I'm going to need a piece about that big, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it. After I cut it, I'm going to go ahead and take my glue gun. I'm going to put a nice big drop of glue right there at the beginning, and I'm going to stick my garland to that piece, being careful not to burn myself, not to put my hand directly over that hot glue because it can burn you. But I'm just kind of pressing around it because I know where the dot was. So pressing that down. Now that it's pressed down, I'm going to go ahead and move to another spot, lift it up, make another spot of glue, and then go ahead and stick it down in that area as well, just holding my fingers kind of over it. Holding my fingers kind of over it, and you might get a little bit of glue on your hands. I got a little bit of glue there, so, but that's okay. That's okay. It's arts and crafts. It's not burning me or killing me. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put another dot of glue, and I'm putting the glue roughly about 3 to 4 inches apart so that it's spaced out, but also so that the garland is really secure on the jumpsuit. And I'm going to show you guys in a second. You'll see that I've used this garland to make a really cute Christmas tree shape on the jumpsuit. So I'll hold it up in a second and show you guys how it looks. Alrighty, so now it's all on there. I've made a really, really cute Christmas tree shape, and I'll hold it up and show it to you guys in just a second. Let me just let that last piece dry up. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the garland is on the onesie. It's making like a triangle shape, so it's giving kind of that Christmas tree shape, as you can see. Really, really cute, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted it to be really, really dramatic in the middle. And now I'm gonna start adding the Christmas balls to it. The lights will be the last thing we add, and the flowers are gonna go on the shoulder here. So I'll do the balls first, then the flowers, then the lights, and we are done. Okay guys, so as you can see, most of the balls are already on the onesie. You can see them all here. They look really, really cute. They're on there nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. But I have a few more to add, so I wanted to show you guys how I'm adding the balls on there. Basically what I'm doing is taking one of my little mini safety pins, and then I take a ball. I go ahead and thread the ball with the safety pin, just like that. You can see that. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to find a spot underneath the garland. Since it's just a little bitty safety pin, it's really easy to hide it. And I'm just going to go ahead and pin the ball on there. Now the garland is going to cover up the safety pin, so you're not going to be able to see it, and there the ball is attached. I'm going to do that one more time. Take a different color. Here's the ball. Here's my safety pin. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Thread the ball. Then I'm just going to find where I want to put it on here. Find a little open spot there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in there. And now as you can see, it's on there nice and secure. So all the balls are on there. I'm gonna go ahead and pick her up and show you guys. All the little balls are on there, and that just looks really, really cute. And you can add as many or as few as you want. So now we're gonna move on, and now we're going to add our flowers. The lights are gonna be the last thing, like I said, so now we're ready to add our little artificial flowers to this. Okay guys, we are on the home stretch here with this little DIY project, all these little arts and crafts. I got the flowers on. I basically just used white safety pins to put them on because I didn't want to make a big fuss putting them on. I was going to put flowers through the middle, but I decided to only put 2 because I think there's enough going on in there. And I also put the garland around the hood. So you can see I attached the garland around the hood of the onesie. And now it's time to add the lights, you guys. That's the main attraction, honestly, for me, because I'm just excited to see how this is going to look with those lights on there. It's already looking crazy as hell, but that's exactly what I want. But I think once the lights go on there, it is really going to be amped up. Once those pink lights are on there, you guys, this is definitely going to be an ugly Christmas onesie. So let's get these lights on. I'm going to, of course, show you guys how I put them on. But I first want to go ahead and get the batteries inside of these battery packs. So give me a sec with that. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys real quick how I'm putting the lights on. I've already finished this side. The lights are already on this side securely. So basically what I did was go ahead and put the battery pack inside of the pocket of the jumpsuit, of the onesie, jumpsuit, onesie, whatever. And then since there's so many like safety pins and glued areas in here, I'm kind of able to just weave the lights through there. So if I'm going to show you guys real quick what I mean. And basically because there's so many areas that have safety pins or glue or, you know, something, the lights kind of stay up in different places. So it makes it a lot easier to put them on. I'm just basically kind of just weaving them through in different places. They don't need to be extra neat. They just need to be on there so they can glow and sparkle. And as you guys can see, I'm just kind of putting them through different areas where I can find an opening and just kind of pulling it through just like this. Pulling it through, and as you can see, it lights up the jumpsuit or the onesie really, really easy. So that's the good thing about putting the glue and the safety pins in there, is that it makes the application of the lights a lot easier. So I basically just kind of keep them in a ball, weave them through different areas just like that. Make sure to leave a couple behind, weave them back through just like that. Just keep pulling them through. until you get to the end. And basically once you do get to the end, it's gonna look like this side, and it's gonna be all woven through there. It'll be lights everywhere, so it'll look really, really cool. So this will be a nightmare to take apart, you guys. So honestly, I'm probably just gonna box this up and use it every year because I can't see myself trying to remove all this stuff. But this will be something fun to use every year. You don't have to worry about the lights not working. It's battery operated. They're LED lights, so they last really, really long. You don't have to worry about any type of electricity or anything like that. So you can get a lot of hours out of these batteries when you're using these type of lights. So, and they're not hot. They're just really, really great lights to have for something like this. So almost done getting them through. I'm just looking for any areas that I don't see any lights and kind of just weaving them through there. I'm not pulling it tight or anything like that. Just weaving it through, and I'm almost at the end. Here's the end. Almost got it all through there. Just want to make sure every area has lights, and making sure to kind of fluff it back out and make sure it's not getting stuck. And if any areas are like bunched up like this, you can always just kind of tuck them under, you know, kind of put them through the garland. So I got this little piece. I'm just going to kind of wrap it around a couple of times. And basically that's that. I'm going to zip it back up. So far I'm not having any issues zipping it. So I've been able to zip it up and zip it down just fine. And I did add 2 little balls onto the end of the hoodie strings. So now let's just pick it up and see how we're looking. Alright guys, so this is what we have right now. We got everything on our onesie and it looks so cute. We got the little garland around the hood. We got the flowers on the shoulders. We got the lights on. We got the balls on there that just kind of dance when you move. And now we're ready to put her on. So I'll be right back with this onesie on. Y'all, this is about to be crazy, okay? But I want to tell you guys before I go put it on, it's not heavy. It feels great. The battery packs are in the pocket, so I don't have to worry about those. I can cut them on, cut them off when I want to, change the flash if I want to. So this is going to be a fun little piece to wear this Christmas, you guys. I really hope you'll recreate this. If not, give it to your teenager. You know, this is something to do, fun to do with the kids. You can do a whole family thing with this. Like have your husband make one, your kids make one, and you all just wear them on Christmas. Like I like to stay in my pajamas on Christmas. My family mostly celebrates on Christmas Eve now. So everybody doesn't have to spend the day driving and stuff like that on Christmas. So definitely something you guys can wake up to on Christmas and have a really, really fun Instagram friendly Christmas, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and we're gonna see what we're working with this Christmas onesie. Alrighty you guys, so the onesie is on as you can see, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. Not only is it warm as hell, but it is crazy. Look at this thing. I love it, you guys. It's so bright, it's so cute, and it's so ugly at the same time. It's really comfortable. I didn't have any issues getting my hands in the pockets. Got my little battery packs here so I can turn my lights on and off. You guys, I am just loving this, and I am so looking forward to wearing this to somebody's house for Christmas, okay? Oh my gosh. And I want to show you guys one more thing I did. I have my little hoodie on here, but in case I decide to take that off, flip out my hair a little bit, I decided to go ahead and attach some balls to my little ears here that I showed you guys earlier. So I can just pop those on and my outfit is still popping, okay? Hey! This is so cute. I got my hood on here. Okay, let me just model for you guys for a second. Let me work this onesie, honey. Because I am really loving this. And you can just wear this with some little white sneakers or pretty much any shoes, some Uggs. It doesn't matter. But I just love this. Like, look at the lights. Look how cool it looks. And the little balls on the hoodie strings. So cute, right? And I'm sure as you recreate this, you'll probably come up with tons of other ideas on stuff you can add to it or different ways you can do it, make it a lot easier. So I really hope you guys will recreate this onesie. You can do it in blue, you can do it in traditional Christmas colors. I decided to do it in pink because, you know, I gotta be a little different, but you can do it pretty much in any color scheme that you like. So I'm loving this, y'all. What do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching my Christmas onesie video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you will recreate this onesie, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram tag is 10 ways to wear it. Just spell out the words. You guys don't forget to tag me if you recreate this or if you decide to make another version of it. I, of course, love pink, so that's what I decided to do mine in, but you can always do traditional Christmas colors. So go ahead and put your own spin on it, y'all. You know you're about to see a bunch of these popping up now on YouTube, but never forget 10 Ways to Wear It did it first. Okay, check the dates. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As you can see, I'm giving you really unique stuff, new material, fresh material. So I really hope you'll stick around and get some good stuff, okay, honey? I'm spreading it out everywhere. That's what she said. Anyway, Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.